want to make money online as a lawyer, but you're not ready to follow person with no road.
They play. Just they play. They play.
You prefer to comb through the internet to get digital strategies that will not work for you. In fact, you are the chief participants of all online free classes. But when it comes to paying to learn from those on top of the game, you disappear.
Talk to me direct. Don't go through the corner.
No wonder you are not getting results. Well, I'm here to help you. I'm organizing the Digital Lawyers Bootcamp, where I will teach you how to make impact, build influence, and make money online as a lawyer. The bootcamp we hold between the 10th and 22nd of March 2024. So if you are interested in the Digital Lawyers Bootcamp, just type "I am interested" in the comment section right now, or send me a DM saying you are interested in the Digital Lawyers Bootcamp. Mind you, this is not a free class.
Wait for me.